Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making quick, easy, but overall the best chicken nuggets you can make at home. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by cutting 2 pounds of chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. So just cut them into strips and then cut them once again, just like that. Okay, so once we cut our chicken into small pieces, we're going to set it to the side and work on our flour mixture. Okay, for that we're going to mix 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch. For our spices, we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and salt. I'm using 2 teaspoons. So mix it with the flour and cornstarch. Okay, and once ready, set it to the side. Okay, and for our binding mixture, we're going to be mixing half a cup of buttermilk and half a cup of mayonnaise. So this is going to keep our chicken nice and moist. So just make sure that you mix it well. Okay, once we have both mixtures ready, now we can get ready to coat our chicken. Okay, so we're going to begin by dipping our chicken into our flour mixture. Make sure that you shake the excess. Then we're going to dip it to our mayo mixture. Shake the excess. Then back into our flour mixture. Make sure that it gets nice and coated. Okay, we're going to place it to the side and repeat with the rest of our chicken. Alright, so once we have our chicken all nice and coated, now we are ready to begin frying. So we're going to grab our pan, set it on medium heat, and allow the oil to heat up. I'm going to layer my chicken bites on my little basket. Just make sure that they are in a single layer. Okay, and once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our chicken and begin to fry. So just fry until golden brown for about 5 to 7 minutes. Alrighty, so after about 5 minutes, our chicken should be nice and golden. Of course, just make sure that you check them. And look at that, they're done. So now we're going to continue repeating the process to the rest of our chicken. Alright, you guys, so while we wait for the rest of our chicken, we're going to make a quick dipping sauce. So we're going to begin by mixing 1/3 of a cup of mayo. Okay, to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, half a teaspoon of paprika and black pepper. Now we're just going to mix it real good. So we're just going to mix until everything is well combined. So just like that, we have our sauce, so you can taste it and adjust it to your liking. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this recipe is seriously quick, easy, and the best part is that it is better than any fast food or store-bought. So I am so ready. Hope you give it a try. I promise you, if you have kids, they're going to love this recipe as well as yourself. And you know, you can also pre-make them and just freeze them, just, you know, so you can always have them in the freezer. But I am so ready, so cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. The chicken is not dried out. And don't be worried, you know, you don't taste the mayonnaise. It's honestly so flavorful and just perfect. It's so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home. Make super easy and delicious chicken nuggets. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. And if you ever get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.